I personally faced maddening system slowdowns and unexpected game shutdowns for weeks. After trying countless approaches, I finally uncovered multiple effective solutions to restore stability, and I am eager to share them with you right now. This video will help you fix sudden game crashes and PC performance drops for good. First, updating your graphics drivers is crucial. Drivers are like instruction manuals for your computer's parts. Old or damaged manuals prevent your graphics card from communicating properly with games, causing stuttering, low frames, and crashes. Keeping them current ensures smooth communication. Next, verifying game files is like checking if all game pieces are correct. Corrupted or missing files cause games to stop working. Ensuring all files are perfect helps the game run without breaking. Third, adjusting power settings makes a big difference. Energy-saving plans might not give your processor and graphics card enough power for demanding games. A high-performance plan ensures your system always has the necessary power. Finally, monitoring system temperatures is vital. When CPU and GPU get too hot, they slow down or shut off to protect themselves. This causes huge performance drops and crashes. Watching the heat helps prevent these issues before they start.